everyone, how you guys all doing? This is your girl Camille. I want to say welcome back to my channel. I will be doing another spoon swipe flower, and for this video I would also be using all pre-mixed pouring paint. I've used them in several videos before and I love the way it turned out, so I wanted to continue using some of the color combination and show you how great these paints are. So if you are getting tired of mixing your paint and you're not getting it to the right consistency, just watch how I use these paints to create beautiful flowers. I do hope you guys are inspired. Here I am just showing you the lineup of colors. There is a white base on the canvas already. I'm not going to show you how I do this in today's video, but if you want to see how I spread my paint, you can always check out my previous video. I show how I cover my canvas with my paint. You do need a base color on the canvas to keep the paint flowing and swiping when you swipe it with the spoon. All right, so the canvas should not be dried at all, guys. Okay, I get that question a lot. So yes, there's a base color on canvas. If you find it challenging to pour the paint from the bottle, because it's a big bottle and really guys, you should be squeezing it, but for some control I just pour it lightly, just squeeze it lightly. It comes out in a drip form. You can always take the cap off. If not, just pour it in a cup and there you go, or of course just pour it in a more manageable squeeze bottle. All right, so these bottles, of course you can squeeze them. You can tell it's like a stumpy fat bigger size bottle, but of course guys, pour it in a cup to have more control, or pour it in a more manageable squeeze bottle where you can squeeze the amount that you want onto the canvas. Here is a custom mix that I made. It's a maroon, and I actually just mixed the lava red by Drizzle and I add some black to it to create a more deep red. So if you can't find the shade that you want, you guys can be creative and just mix two colors together, create beautiful new paint. All right, so you don't have to spend all that money, because listen guys, this bottle of paint cost me 17 Canadian dollars. It's not cheap. Okay, so if you want to like custom mix your paint, go ahead and try that as well. Here I am just showing you a napkin that I wipe my spoon on. So yes, each time you swipe, paint will be coming up on the spoon, so you need to wipe that off and swipe with the outer edge of the spoon. All right, that will keep your flower a bit more defined. It will give you that nice petal shape with that beautiful tip. All right, I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, give this one a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, hit all, so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Really do appreciate you guys. Don't forget to stay tuned all the way to the end to see the close-up of the wet result and the dried result. So I do hope you guys will stick around. Thank you.